Next up, Crash and Burn Act 3 Tier 2. In this we need to shoot down 3 enemy helicopters. This mission is super simple. All you need is a ton of bullets and that's pretty much it. All we really need to do is find ourselves a vehicle, then find a way to call in helicopters. What's the easiest way to do that? Well, simply put, one of the contracts. There's quite a few contracts that call in reinforcement helicopters, but probably the easiest one that I can think of is the rocket mission where they land 3 rockets and you simply destroy them. Those call in reinforcements, but also there's a deliver cargo mission calls in a helicopter, but yeah, it should work. It does say shoot down 3 enemy helicopters. It doesn't say what kind. So this is probably one of the easier kinds as it's focusing on a vehicle. You don't really need to worry about yourself. It's more just worrying about the vehicles. So if we were to park the vehicle somewhere undercover, such as a tunnel or something like that, you should be able to very easily get rid of the helicopter that's chasing you. So let's pick up this one. Like that. Oh, and also these defend ground missions probably also have reinforcement helicopters. I don't exactly remember. Making sure we have tons of ammo to do this, or maybe a rocket launcher or something along those lines. We'll take this vehicle and we'll park it quite literally underneath cover here, just so that the helicopter doesn't destroy it, meaning that it should hang around at least a little bit longer. This is a nether fortress, so I think there'll be lots of zombies coming here. Let's just make sure we're not overrun by zombies. Let's quickly grab this and park it quite literally just under cover here. So we'll bring it in maybe about here should be good. This should leave it completely covered from the helicopter. The only thing I need to worry about is probably zombies. Well, that's sorted too. Okay, well, let's just quickly 360 here. So we'll drive up and back down. Let's see. Nothing's spawning in just yet. All right, there we go. Helicopter coming in. Let's turn around and park this thing back here. This should also keep it healed. All right, now we have a helicopter here and it's interested in the truck more than us. All we need to do is just spam it down. That's it. Super simple. Tons of bullets and just a little bit of time. Seems like we have some other people helping us as well. This should count. Don't see a reason why it wouldn't. I think we'll let them take it down a little bit more and we'll destroy it ourselves. So there we go. Did that count? I think they took that from me. Nice. Okay, well, what are the odds? These people just pulled up and stole it from me. That's it. I'm pretty sure that should have counted. Anyway, hopefully we can do another mission that calls in reinforcements, like, I don't know, this one over here. And maybe we can use this vehicle to help get rid of them. That sounds pretty good. You can probably also see random reinforcement choppers coming in and dropping off more soldiers, but that's not as common as in DMZ. We should be able to travel in the direction of these and hopefully find ourselves a helicopter somewhere nearby. Let's see. Reinforcement helicopters. There's one of them over there. Okay, cool. Let's quickly take the gunner seat. Vehicle disabled. And that's one destroyed. Yeah, one destroyed. Sweet. They have another one. I don't think so. They do. Okay, let's quickly get rid of this one as well. Think we missed our opportunity on that one. Yeah, we definitely did. Okay, so it seems like this truck definitely helped us out a lot, as we don't have a pack-a-punched weapon or anything like that to help us deal with the birds. I don't see any more reinforcement helicopters, so let's just get rid of this one too. And the last one, we'll complete this and find our way over to the next mission similar to this, where we should hopefully be able to finish it off as well. So we'll mark maybe this one, as we can hopefully get rid of 2 helicopters if we're fast enough. I think we need to find cover from the actual AI and then just gun them down. A full mag from the vehicle, then a full mag from me, and probably a full mag from the vehicle once more. So grabbing this quest and watching for the helicopters, which I don't see any just yet. Let's see. There we go. There's one right above us. We actually can't shoot at this one. Okay, well, we'll start with a normal mag, then move up to this, and destroyed. Sweet. Let's get rid of these zombies, get in again, and get rid of the next helicopter. You could probably do all 3 of these in one go if you're fast enough. This one's just out of vision, so let's move a little bit. There we go. And there's number 2 destroyed, which should now complete this mission. Sweet. So that's really it. Super easy. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.